In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Google Calendar. Dark mode is a great way to make your calendar easier on the eyes, especially if you work at night or just prefer a darker interface. It can reduce eye strain and also help your screen feel a bit less bright and overwhelming. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to turn it on step by step. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once your calendar is loaded, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Click on that gear icon. When you do, a small menu will drop down. From that menu, choose the option that opens the full settings page. This might say something like settings, and it will take you to a new screen with more detailed options. On the settings page, you'll see a menu running down the left-hand side. This is where Google groups different customization options. Take a moment to scroll through that left sidebar and look for the section labeled Appearance. When you see Appearance, click on it. This is where you can control how your calendar looks, including the theme. After clicking on Appearance, look for the theme options on the main part of the screen. You should see choices like light, dark, or sometimes a system default option depending on your device and browser. To enable dark mode, select the option labeled Dark. As soon as you click it, you should see a preview of your calendar switch over to a darker background with lighter text. This lets you immediately see how events, dates, and colors will appear. If you're happy with how everything looks in dark mode, the last step is to confirm your choice. Look for a button labeled Done near the bottom or corner of the settings area. Go ahead and click on Done to save your changes and close out of that settings section. Your Google Calendar should now be fully in dark mode. You can always return to the same appearance settings if you want to switch back to light mode or try a different option later. That's all you need to do to enable dark mode in Google.